Welcome back to the Auto Info Master, your ultimate destination for luxury wheels, futuristic rides, and everything in between. Today, we're diving deep into something that sounds like a dream, something so extravagant, so audacious, so Lamborghini, that it feels like a concept born from science fiction. But guess what? It's real. Meet the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Yes, Lamborghini has taken its raging bull DNA and unleashed it in a form that roars across highways and glides through mountain passes while offering a luxury villa experience on wheels. So buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a motorhome, it's a revolution in motion. When you first lay eyes on the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, one thing becomes instantly clear. This isn't just another luxury RV. It's a piece of rolling art sculpted in Sant'Agata Bolognese with the same ferocity, angular aggression, and aerodynamic mastery that made the Aventador and Rivuelto iconic. The body looks like it was sliced by the wind itself, sharp, stealthy, and unmistakably Lambo. Imagine a fusion of the Terzo Millennio's design philosophy with the commanding presence of a 40-foot-long luxury cruiser. The front fascia features those signature Y-shaped LED DRLs, integrated seamlessly into a carbon fiber hood that opens up like a gull wing clamshell to reveal storage space and Lamborghini's signature branding elements. Side panels are flanked by carbon fiber trim, heat-treated titanium accents, and active aero wings that deploy for stability at higher speeds. But the wild part? The entire motorhome has been built using Lamborghini's lightweight forged composites. That's right, what they use in their hypercars now forms the skeleton of a mobile home. The dual-tone matte and gloss paint job is customizable, but the Nero Nemesis and Verde Mantis combo is stealing the spotlight on the road. Massive 26-inch forged alloy wheels sit below adaptive suspension that lowers the entire body for highway cruising and lifts when off-road terrain demands it. Even the rear is a showstopper, with an LED strip that stretches across like a Kian taillight, hiding retractable storage compartments and a deployable rear patio deck. Every angle screams performance, and every curve is meticulously calculated to reduce drag while maintaining that high-octane Lamborghini look. Step inside and you're not entering a cabin, you're entering a private Lamborghini-designed penthouse on wheels. Lamborghini didn't just throw some leather on seats and call it a day. The interior is an experience of space, sound, scent, and surfaces. The cabin opens through scissor-style automatic doors, because why not? And you're greeted with Alcantara-covered walls, ambient Y-lighting that adjusts with your mood, and a custom scent diffuser that releases Lamborghini's signature interior fragrance. The color palette leans toward deep charcoal tones accented with vibrant stitching, carbon trim, and brushed aluminum elements that mimic the dashboard of the Rivuelto. A panoramic electrochromic roof spans across the entire living area, allowing you to adjust the tint from clear to completely opaque with a voice command. The lounge features modular Italian leather couches with built-in massage functions, Lamborghini monograms stitched on every headrest, and retractable displays that rise from the counters with a whisper-quiet hum. A 65-inch OLED panel serves as the main entertainment hub, seamlessly integrated into the wall, flanked by Bang & Olufsen's Lamborghini-exclusive sound system pumping out 3D spatial audio. Every switch, knob, and screen inside the cabin glows softly, giving the impression of a cockpit rather than a home. And speaking of cockpits, the driver's cabin is a masterpiece. You're looking at a digital instrument cluster modeled after the Rivuelto, complete with a holographic heads-up display. The steering wheel is hexagonal, Alcantara-wrapped, and haptic feedback-enabled, while the center console features touch-sensitive panels and rotary dials that control everything from climate to suspension modes. Dual captain chairs with zero-gravity design provide unparalleled comfort and support during long drives. Behind the cockpit lies the dining zone, complete with a carbon fiber table, automated espresso bar, and smart tinted windows that adjust for sunlight and privacy. The kitchen is fully modular, equipped with a Miele induction stove, built-in smart fridge, and fold-away sink, all wrapped in carbon fiber panels and marble effect counters. Toward the rear, a master suite awaits that can only be described as pure automotive luxury. The bed floats, literally, on a magnetic levitation platform that minimizes vibrations. There's ambient starlight above, floor heating beneath, and voice-controlled blackout shades. A walk-in wardrobe with Lambo-branded luggage compartments and RFID smart locks offers secure storage. Even the bathroom is a work of art, featuring an Italian Carrara marble shower with steam mode, a smart toilet with biometric sensors, and gold-accented fixtures that auto-adjust water temperature. Now, let's talk about what powers this beast. You didn't think Lamborghini would let this thing crawl along with a diesel engine, did you? No way. Underneath this mobile mansion sits a hybrid V12 powertrain derived from the Rivuelto's platform. Yes, a hybrid V12 in a motorhome. The internal combustion engine alone pumps out 825 horsepower, and when paired with 3 electric motors, one for each axle and one assisting torque vectoring, you're looking at a combined output of around 1,100 horsepower. All-wheel drive, torque vectoring, and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission give this RV the kind of launch control you'd expect from a track-ready supercar. 0 to 60? Under 5 seconds. In a motorhome. Let that sink in. Top speed? Electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety, but it can easily surpass that on private tracks. Yet, despite all that power, Lamborghini has managed to deliver a hybrid range of nearly 700 miles on a full tank and battery charge. Regenerative braking, solar panel-assisted rooftop charging, and adaptive cruise control with AI-based terrain mapping make this one of the most advanced motorhomes ever built. Features? Where do we begin? Facial recognition unlocks the vehicle as you approach. AI-driven travel assistants plot your route, monitor traffic, weather, and fuel stops, and can even recommend scenic views. A fully retractable drone launches from the rear bay to capture aerial footage of your journey. The roof has deployable solar panels that automatically track the sun and power auxiliary systems. The sidewalls extend outward when stationary, giving you almost double the interior width for hosting or relaxing. There's a built-in climate-adaptive system that adjusts temperature zones automatically based on your body temperature and local weather data. Security. LiDAR perimeter scans, bullet-resistant panels, and emergency lockdown protocols activated via voice. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't just for going from A to B. It's for making a statement at every turn, parking lot, and mountain overlook. It's the kind of vehicle that turns heads, sparks conversations, and makes everything else on the road feel pedestrian. Every inch is engineered for experience. Whether you're speeding down the Autobahn or parked by a lake in the Swiss Alps, this motorhome ensures you do it with unparalleled style. Now, the million, or should I say multi-million-dollar question. How much does it cost to own this piece of Lamborghini road royalty? Well, prices for the base model start at $3.9 million. Yes, that's base. But don't let that number scare you. The fully spec'd version with all available performance upgrades, AI features, and interior customization options can reach up to $5.5 million. And believe it or not, Lamborghini has already received deposits from tech billionaires, celebrities, and luxury hotel chains looking to add this masterpiece to their mobile fleet. Only 75 units will be made globally for the first edition, with Lamborghini offering bespoke personalization through their Ad Personam studio, allowing buyers to match interior color schemes, materials, and even software personalities to their unique taste. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a Lamborghini that you live in. So what do you think? Would you trade your mansion for one of these on wheels? Or is this the future of travel for the ultra-elite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget, if you loved what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Infomaster, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the future of automotive luxury. Because at Auto Infomaster, we don't just review cars, we redefine what's possible on wheels. See you in the next video.